Okay, now let's try a bigger number, shall we? Bigger numbers, don't be afraid, it's pretty easy. 146 plus 271. Let's use the tokens here to make it easier. Okay, here we have the 100 tokens, the 10 tokens and the 1s token. Now let's write 146 under this. So 1 hundreds, 4 tens and 6 ones. Now let's write 271. So that's 207 tens and 1 ones. Let's count the ones first. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. Then now the tens. 7 plus 4 is 11. This means we have 11 tens. And 11 tens can be written as 10 tens and 1 10. That's 10 tens plus 1 10. So we know that 10 tens is equal to 100. So we write this 110 in the tens place and move this one set of 10 tens in the hundreds place. Let's carry over and write 1 in here in the hundreds place. So in the hundreds place we now have 1 plus 1 plus 2. That's equal to, yes, 4. So the answer is 417. Okay, let's do one more problem with bigger numbers. So let's count the ones first. First let me write the number. 364 plus 298. Now let's count the ones first. 4 plus 8 gives us 12. So we have 12 ones. So 12 ones is 10 plus 2. So this 110 is carried over to the tens place. And we write down the 2, this 2 in the ones place. Now we get an extra 1 in the tens place. So it is 1 plus 6 plus 9. 1 plus 9. First we'll add 9 plus 1, that's 10. And 10 plus 6 gives us 16. Using our easy addition method, we have done this. So we have got 16. So 16 tens is 10 tens plus 6 tens. Now this 10 tens is equal to 100. 1 is carried over to the hundreds group and the 6 tens is written in the tens place. So now we have to count the hundreds. So that's 1 plus 3 plus 2, that's 6. So the answer is 662. Now let's try solving this mentally. 120, let me write 120 first. 120 plus 65 is equal to, now 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 6 is 8 and the 1 which is in the hundreds place. So the answer is 185. Now let's try another one. 374 plus 117. Now 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So we have 11. We carry over 1 to the tens place and write 1 in the ones place. 7 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 9. And 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the answer is 491. Now let's try different combinations in addition. 127. So 127 can be written as 120 plus 7, or we can write it as 100 plus 27, or we can write it as 87 plus 40, or 50 plus 77, or 20 plus 57 plus 50, and so on. Isn't it fun making different combinations? Okay, now let's try to add and subtract number in different ways. Okay, we have 30 and 50 and 80, 3 numbers. Now let's try different combinations in addition. We can have 30 plus 50, that's equal to 80, or we can have 50 plus 30, that's also equal to 80. Now let's try in subtraction. 80 minus 50 is equal to 30, or 80 minus 30 is equal to 50. See, it's just a shift in the position of numbers and you get a variety of combinations. Do try some more combinations on your own. Okay children, I hope you have understood what I taught today. Okay, so the learning outcome is able to use a place value in addition and subtraction. So till we meet to the next class, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, and thank you once again.